Hello, my name's Richard. I'm out on a bike ride again today. It's 120 kilometres. Quite a simple bike ride for me, really. If you're working in Imperial, that's about 80 miles-ish or so. And I'm going to be leaving from Crowell, which is a small village in North Lincolnshire here in the UK. And I'm going to be heading to a place that lots of you would have heard of, Sherwood Forest in Nottingham. So yeah, off we go. So I just got up Grincley Hill. It was actually a little bit more demanding than I thought, really. I'm only about 50 minutes into the ride. Got me breathless, so that did the trick. And I'm gonna enjoy a bit of a cereal bar, I think. It's looking a bit overcast. It seems like there's been a bit of rain here and there. It's all missed me, which is just as well. Just today, short sleeves. No arm warmers or anything like that, so hopefully it doesn't rain. I'll show you my bike while I've stopped as well. It's a Cube Agri Pro 2017. Tyres, I mentioned those quickly. I know some of you like looking at different tyres and things, but these are Continental Gator hard shell, 25mm. I've had those for a couple of weeks now, working really well. And some equipment on the bike, got a Wahoo element on the front. It's really useful for the breadcrumbs when you're doing long distance. I've got a Moon Meteor Storm Pro front light. It's quite new as well. And I've got a little bit of a slot here for another light as well. This is actually a backup light, but I'm putting it on brought it with me today. Yeah, let's just give it a go, really. Might not need it, but if it gets a bit overcast later on, maybe a bit foggy, I don't know, then I'm going to need that. And I've got my phone mounted in there as well. It's a Samsung. Got a stem cell XL bag for mount kit. Not much in that today. It's working with camera. Pump, there's a couple of inner tubes in there as well, and some tyre levers and a bike lock as well for when I get to the cafe later today. To be fair, this is quite a light setup today. I'm not carrying an awful lot. A couple of water bottles in there. If I do a longer ride, I tend to have like a frame bag in here, a top tube bag. I'm thinking about getting a bag in here as well. I'm not entirely sure what to call them, but it's yet another place I could put something. And I got a saddle bag as well, a brand new saddle bag, which I'm going to be using later this month when I go do a bit of camping in mid-October. Rear light here is from Knog, K-N-O-G. It's got those different flashing modes, and this one, I'm not sure what's this one. This could be a Halford Special. So this is kind of a backup, and this is my main rear light. So it looks like I'm starting to get quite close to Sherwood Forest now. Bit of a guess, really. I've never been to Sherwood Forest before, so all I'm seeing is the amount of trees increase, so who knows. I'm looking for a place called Edwinstowe. I'm going to be stopping at a cafe called Sherwood Forest Cafe, so hopefully that should be coming up soon. looking forward to a sandwich. That's a coffee. Almost definitely a coffee. Definitely looks like Sherwood Forest. Okay, so I've reached Sherwood Forest. I've just had my lunch. I was going to record a video there, but some weirdo with a dog sat next to me, so it was a bit awkward, so I didn't bother. It's had a nice panini and bacon panini, it's really nice, and nice Americano coffee as well, my favourite. That hill back there, sorry, that forest back there, it wasn't Sherwood Forest at all. I actually took a right soon after the video and went through a Walesby forest and went a little bit up the road and arrived at Edwinstowe. So yeah, I've not really seen much of the forest, to be honest. I just came here to have a quick lunch and something to eat. I've also picked up a few things from the local shop as well. New bag of Haribo biscuits, and Haribo Scare Mix, big bag of them. Got a protein drink in there as well, and a big value pack of flat gas, just squashed in half. Well, here I am, heading north through Sherwood Forest itself. Very pretty. Just rolling uphill at the moment. That's about 1 or 2 gradients, increasing to about 4. I don't know, as we were creeping up this little bit of a hill. The GoPro is flashing at me. Looks like I missed a turn. I don't think I'm going to be going through there. What the hell, let's give it a go. Well, so far so good. With the tarmac track there as I go through. I think there's perhaps about a mile down this road to go. See if I come out the other end. That tree there. It's an old looking tree. It's a bit of a clearing on my left. Check out these gaps in this cattle grid. These are massive. I feel like I'm on gladiators. Very carefully put my shoes in the gaps. Way to go. Yay! I've come out the other end. Look at that church over there. Can you see it? So many sheep. to lift my bike up. Well, there was no sign to say I couldn't go that way. Let's squeeze through. Here we go. Walk over yet another cattle grid. Well, here we are, another woods. Almost certainly on tarmac this time. This is a Clumber Park actually. Never been here before. Haven't been anywhere around here before, to be honest. It's all new. So let's see what's up here. Apart from the A1. Onto right away. Can't wait for my helmet mount to arrive. It's going to make this somewhat easier. Scrooby-Dooby-Doo! Scrooby-Dooby-Doo! Okay, I think that's enough. My 100k about 2k ago for my Audax. Just got to get home now. It's about 15, maybe 20k away from here, and it's incredibly straight, the exit segment. It's called Idle Bank. Turning into it now. It's like a proper Roman road. It's also quite windy. I've just been flying on a bit of a tailwind. Now it's going to be side wind all the way down here. And this is a very, very straight piece of road. And along with incredibly straight, I've got to mention how incredibly exposed it is out here as well. And the wind seems to have got up an awful lot this afternoon. Feels like it's touching gale force. And way off in the distance there, I don't know if you can see it, some rain. But luckily for me, it's not coming this way. Yay! So I've just stopped at the end of a tree line. Just to get a bit of respite. It's taking my breath away actually. It's swinging from just behind me to just in front of me, so but not for much longer. There's no set of trees up there, a little bit more open, and then the wind would be behind me once again. So yeah, not much longer.